Let's just admit our deepest, darkest secrets with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I found a company called Ranger Up. Veteran-owned company, I believe, and they make just really cool t-shirts. Now, this one is called Sometimes I Think About Murder. Just funny shirts that have some truth to them. What does this look like on this guy? Well, looks like this. Now, what I do is I walk around and let people read it, and then I stare intently at them and say, yeah, when I think about you. So if you want to let people know what goes on in the deepest, darkest recesses of your mind, well then go to Ranger Up and pick up a t-shirt like this. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.